Hey guys, welcome back. So we're gonna be attaching our wigs today, and usually I don't attach my wigs, but today we're gonna attach our wigs. Appreciate the growth though. Okay, you know what to do. Put on your wig cap, protect your scalp because this is a protective style. Okay, so hey guys, how you doing? My name is Tracy A. Welcome back to my channel. I don't think I said that. While you're here, just hit that subscribe button and let's get started. I'm going to lay my edges with Murray's beeswax. I'm just gonna put that right on my edges. As you can see, I kind of have a protruding edge, but yeah, it's kind of wet. But if you once you start massaging it in and you brush it in, it'll be fine. I'm gonna lay my edges just on those two parts of my temple. Because those are the sides that kind of protrude out. I'm going to do that and then come back to you guys. Try to tuck the curly ends of your edges back into the wig cap so that when you do spray down the hair, nothing is affected. Make sure you want to protect your actual scalp because this is a protective style. So this is my HerGivenHair wig. You know all about it. It's a full lace wig and I believe 18 inches. Oh my gosh. Okay, I just washed it so it looks very, very full, but we're gonna kind of sort of tame it. I'm gonna readjust the back, make sure the clips and everything are very comfortable because once again, it's a protective style. You do not want to hurt your hair while it's underneath something. Just readjust it. When it comes to the eyebrows and the temples area, I try to scrunch my eyebrows so that I can make sure that it's not, the comb inside is not pulling on my front hair. It's very, very painful. So once I readjust and make sure the hairline is where I want it to be, we can get started. And as you can see, the hairline is really, really natural. I've had this wig for almost about 4 months now and I'm loving it. It does shed, but it still looks really, really full and still looks really, really great. I really do love this wig. This is actually one of my favorite units. I have all the description and stuff down below. This unit did come pre-plucked. I did lose some edges just because I've had it for a couple of months now. I've been using it every single day. And I did tint the lace and bleach the knot. So if you want to know more about that, click the links down below. To attach this unit, I'm going to use the Gatsu the freeze spray. I realize that I'm kind of allergic or get pimples and stuff with the actual glue, so I use the spray. And I don't use it often because my wig is secure. I don't really need to attach it unless I'm doing a good updo or something. But I'm just going to spray it on the front, right on the hairline. As you can see, it's not necessarily on my hairline. It's just a little bit before and on the wig cap. I'm going to put the blow dryer on cool and go ahead and put cold air or cool air over that part that I just sprayed and make sure it's a little tacky. I know I shouldn't use my hands. I also didn't use alcohol to swipe my forehead, but this is a quick and easy way that I do it and it gets the job done and it lasts all day. So I think that's what it's supposed to do. So after it has gotten tacky, I pull the wig forward, make sure it's lined up perfectly. I also make sure that it's lined up on the sides of my head because my edges do protrude and I want to make sure everything is kind of like in the right place. I'm going to go ahead in with the blow dryer on cool once again and kind of like pat it down. I realized that if I don't scrunch my eyebrows like that, then it kind of sticks to my forehead, and when I move and laugh and stuff, it starts to peel because it isn't like the strongest of holds. But that's why I scrunch my eyebrows to make sure that it's not like sticking too far forward and is actually just sticking on the place I want it to be and not too far forward. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep doing that. As you can see, look, I have like a little wrinkle and stuff, so I'm gonna make sure that I just kind of smile or just all that stuff and all that tension in my face, make sure that it's there just so that I can go ahead and do what I have to do. I'm gonna do this again to the other side. See how like the protruding edges right there? Most wigs don't really cater to protruding edges, and I didn't feel like cutting this or doing anything to the unit. This is fresh out of the box. So we're gonna go ahead and part the hair, make sure you get what you want over the hair, your ear, and readjust the comb, make sure it is where I want it to be, make sure you're frowning or whatever, just to make sure that it's not too tight on your hair so it's not pulling. So we're gonna go ahead and spray some of the hairspray on that portion, put a cold blow dryer over it until it's tacky, and then put the wig on. We're just going to make sure that it's, where we want it to be. Make sure that you're scrunching your face or whatever just so that it's not pulling on anything. And yeah, I'm going to do that to the other side as well. this is what it's looking like. I promise you it doesn't look this light in real person and real life. I feel like it was just the lighting and the sun was hitting a little too hard. So I'm going to go ahead and adjust my edges just for the protruding edges. That's why I laid my edges underneath it so that it's going to look like it's coming right out of my scalp. I love Hicks. Hicks does great wonders for the wig and it's not too hard on it. I'm just going to go ahead and lay the edges just like I laid my actual natural edges. And we're going to lay a scarf on it. And that's basically it. I realized I didn't secure this part of the wig very well, so you're just gonna go ahead with Hicks and kind of swoop it over, and it basically just lays down flat. I promise you, it's not gonna go anywhere. You already have your combs, you already have your band, you have everything else helping you. This is just to make sure that when wind blows, it's not gonna catch you. So just go ahead and make sure it looks real smooth. I couldn't find any other scarf, so we're gonna go ahead in with this long scarf, wrap it around my head, make sure that the hair that I want in front of my ears is in front of my ears, wrap it up, then get dressed, go about my day. This actually took me about 10 minutes to do. This is just an alternative. You don't want to have to use the actual got-to-be glue gel or whatnot because it does irritate my skin. But we're just going to wrap up our hair and go about our day. You can take it off anytime. You don't even really need to wrap it. I just like that sleek pressed look. Ooh, shout out to the sun in my skin though. Okay, all right. And we're back. So we're gonna go ahead and remove the scarf. I should have actually done my hair, fix the hair or style the hair the way I wanted it while it was being laid down so I could be more sleek and more flat and the water wouldn't go on the actual hairline. But it's a learning process. I'm gonna go ahead and style the hair the way I want it to. I just want to kind of show you guys how versatile the hair is. The hair looks bomb. Once again, it's a full lace unit, so you can part it any which way. But honestly, I only really part it in the middle and the side. Yeah, med school's kicking my butt. But please, sis, can you look at the edges? It just looks really nice. I really do love this unit. The fact that I can part it anywhere, even though I don't. The fact that the hairline is really natural. I didn't have to do anything but attach to my scalp. Love it. Love it. Okay, so if you guys would like to know more about this hair, links in the description and all that stuff. Comment, subscribe, like. I'm pretty sure it's not in the right order, but do all those three things. And let me know what you think down below. Bye!